Hey everybody, it's Steph from Evening Skies Reflections. I just want to give a big shout out to Patrick, Real Karak, on YouTube. His name is Real Karak. Um, Patrick, thank you so much. I had such a bad day at the doctor's yesterday. I got some news on my health that wasn't very good. But on my way home, I grabbed my mail and it was a package. I was like, wow, I didn't order anything. And then when I opened it, it was from you. And I just want to say thank you so much. I'm going to show you. Look at that. Beautiful wall hanging he got me. I haven't ironed it, but I got to take it down anyways. I just wanted to put it up right now because I still have to put the top part on the wall and where the ceiling is and stuff up there, the boards that go across the top of the room. I still have to put that up and paint. But yeah, this is what he got me. Oh my God, it's so big. I'm trying to get a good picture of it, but it's not working. Anyways, the best I can do. And then it comes all the way down. Look at that. It's so beautiful. It really cheered me up. I was very upset with what happened at the doctors and stuff. And so, and there was two decks of cards in there. This wasn't on my list, so I'm taking it that you sent this to me, Patrick, that you picked this out for me. And it's called Messages from the Spirit of Nature Oracle. So let's open them. And here's the book. Try to find the camera because I'm not used to it. I'm used to the laptop. And it just tells you what these cards mean. And they're pretty cool. I think he's trying to give me a hint here, Patrick. We got air, apple tree, abundance, butterfly, regeneration, cave, initiation, cedar tree. I've not ever seen a brown cedar tree. The cedar trees I know are in Canada, they're white. But I guess this is probably our side of the country, cedar trees. Wisdom, cicada, voice, cloud, imagination. I don't know if you can see this very well. Crystal quartz, focus, dandelion, healing, desert, thirst. I love the colors in that. So pretty. Diamond, radiance. Dolphin, listening. Are you listening to the messages from Mother Earth and all her beings? Eagle vision. earth, home, temporarily. Fire, intensity, that's hot. Look at that. Forest, diversity, pretty. That's a really pretty card. Honeybee, community. Reminds me of Lauren B. Hurricane, centered. By the way, Lauren B is Untitled Tarot. I thought, every time I see that B stuff, I think of her. Hurricane, center, the eye of the hurricane. Island, detachment. In the cave. Jasmine, sensuality. Lightning, breakthrough. Lotus, resurrection. Moon cycles. Yeah, always pay attention to the moon cycles. I actually found this little book at the Dollar Tree, and it's a self-guided journal at the Dollar Tree. And then inside, it has the day of the week, the moon cycle, goals, and then things you want to write. I thought, man, that is really, it's for 1 month. So 1 month, one. I thought that was pretty cute. Okay, moss, adaptability. Mountain, intention. Oak tree, ooh, ancestors. Ocean, waves. Ooh, look at that. I love when you see the people surfing and they go through this tunnel from underneath the wave. I think that's cool. Oh, wow, I love this. Intuition. Mm. Rain. Yeah, I like that too. Renewal. Rainbow. Beauty. Rice. Nourishment. River. Flow. That's beautiful. Some of these cards are just beautiful. Rose. Love. Sage. Purification. Yes, 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 yes. Sequoia tree. Balance. I'm hoping on my bucket list to go next year, if all is possible, to the Sequoia National Forest. And I want to do a reading by one of these big trees. One day I'm going to get there and I'm going to do a reading from there. Snake shedding. Not particularly fond of that card. I don't like snakes. Star. I know they have their purpose in life. I know they have their purpose. I just don't like them. Stars. Navigation. Sun. Faith. Beautiful. I try to get up in the mornings to do my meditation as the sun is coming up. I don't always make it up in time to do it, but I do. Tobacco, reciprocity. Now, the way I was taught, we offer tobacco if we're going to take a plant from the ground or anything from Mother Earth. We put our tobacco down and ask permission and say thank you. And then when you have your sacred fire, you offer tobacco in the 4 directions north, east, south, west, for what they bring, you know, into Mother Earth, to Grandfather Sun, Grandmother Moon, and that's how we do it with tobacco. Volcano release, water, lifeblood, yeah, waterfall, persistence. I had that dream I was floating on my back, clear water, down a stream to a waterfall. Instead of the water coming, pushing me away, it was floating me to the waterfall. It was pretty cool. I woke up before I got to it, but wilderness, untamed, wind, movement. Wow, movement. And that will go with air. Air and wind. And then we're back to the beginning. And this is called, and this is the back of it, Messages from the Spirits of Nature Oracle, Dr. Stevens D. Farmer. And then this was in there too, Feathered Omens by Ted Andrews. Oh my gosh. I got his books. I love Ted Andrews. And then we got, I'm just going to go through them real quick. Can you see them? Chickadee, Discover and Express the Truth. Hummingbird, Dreams of and New Joy Within Reach. Assert when opportunity appears. Adjust behavior and communications, the seagull. Magpie, Secrets Discovered. The cards are really, really, really thin. You just got to be gentle with them. Kingfisher, Sunshine, Prosperity, and Love. Swan, Magical realms are opening. Pheasant, Time of fertility and creativity. Macaw, Express yourself carefully. Finch, Activity increases. Spirits are strong around you. That's the very same owl that was in my tree. That's the exact owl, same owl. Isn't that funny? Cardinal, accept your life's importance. Cuckoo, new fate and path direction. Singing, express your creativity. Migration, time to make a move. Crane, secret and noble guardianship. Duck, that's what I pulled today. Seek emotional comfort and protection. That's the one I pulled today. Funny. Eagle, spirit visions and healing surround you. Peacock, protection and resurrection. Sparrow, trust in your own nobility. Crackle, free emotions and anxieties. Turkey, blessings from earth. Hunting, pursue what you need. Dove, new cycles of opportunities. Bluebird, gentleness brings happiness. Vulture, life, death, and rebirth. Ren, be bold and resourceful. Robin, new spring is upon you. Preening, attend to your own needs. Goose, purpose your quest. Hawk, guardianship and vision strong. Red-winged blackbird, new surprises and understandings. Nesting, promise and hope. Raven, things are shape-shifting. Pelican, unselfishness will renew you. Penguin, trust in your dreams. Blue Jay, that's my buddy. He always warns me when trouble's coming or an argument or bad news. Be careful of choices you make. He's my warner. Courtship and mating. New relationship developing. The crow. Help with the unexpected. Yes. And the woodpecker, my other friend. New rhythm is developing. He gave me a feather last week or a week before that. Same wood, that kind of woodpecker. It's the great spotted woodpecker with the red on it. Like Woody Woodpecker. Ha 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 ha. No. Anyways, this is Ted Andrews, Feathered Omens. And here's the book. The book is huge. Thank you, Patrick. And his channel is Real Karak on YouTube. I don't know how to spell it. I'm sorry. But thank you, Patrick. You made me smile yesterday after coming home from the doctors. I totally appreciate this thoughtful gesture that you sent me for my birthday. I love you so much. And Eve, thank you for the ones that you sent me. I love you too. I love all you guys, even all of you. I just wanted to share that with everybody. So I'm gonna get off here now and get ready to do my last two zodiacs, and I feel a collective reading coming. So I'm having a hard time setting myself up in this space here, but I keep trying. It's just, I don't know, I have a little bit of a hard time. But thank you for the wall hanging. This is so beautiful. I'll get the folds out of it later. I also have this one that my daughter bought me. Don't mind the mess. It fits on a queen size bed. It goes way past the floor. And I got it folded at the top. My daughter sent me that one. So anyways, my walls are covered. All right, guys. Thank you. Enjoy. Patrick, thank you for the cards and the wall hanging. Thank you so much. I love you guys. And see you later. Love and light. Bye, hon.